Hi there, I'm back again creating another illustration. I didn't get the time to film the background of this illustration, which is just a nice watercolor. It's supposed to give a summer feel to it. I'm currently working on this waffle cone, which felt like it took forever to create, and getting those lines on was just very time consuming. I got an idea to create like an ice cream cone, but instead of ice cream scoops, they're like form of kitten heads with some bow ties. It's supposed to be a nice, refreshing illustration. This illustration has no real background. I just wanted something easy and fun to do one day. This is where I began to work on the first kitten. He's supposed to resemble butter pecan. I'm going to have his ears, his eyes, his nose, and his bow tie to represent the pecans. Kind of wanted a nice smooth finish to him. I spent a lot of time on the butter pecan. For some reason I was struggling to get him just right, get his colors just right. And now I begin on the second ice cream head. This is going to be mint chocolate chip. His eyes, his ears are all going to be like this chocolate brown color. It took me a while to get that green color to really pop on this pink background. Now I begin on the last kitten, which is also the last scoop of ice cream. She is supposed to represent birthday cake flavor. Wanted her to be the white base of it, and then her ears, her nose, her eyes, and her bow tie are supposed to represent different colors or sprinkles that you get in the birthday cake ice cream. Now it took multiple layers to get her to really pop. And then I made the mistake of like outlining her eyes in black. So when I went over them in a different color for her sprinkles, it just kind of clashed. Alright, here comes the reveal for the very end. I hope you all like the finished product. I wish it was as bright as it is in person. Hopefully you all enjoyed my video. Please give it a like and subscribe, and there will be a video coming out very soon.